All right, I'm just realizing that I should just wrap this up in one felled swoop. Here's your update, bud. We have some hardwired leads here. Chassis solder joints for your grounds. We're going to avoid the issue with poor mating surfaces. And likewise here on the front control panel, you'll see back there that the corrosion has been removed. And it's been polished a bit. Will it come back at some point in the future? Sure will. But she'll be good for a few years, no doubt. I do have to blast her out with air. I do have some paper towel debris and some little wire whiskers from some trimming there. What else can I tell you? This is the preamp ground point here. There were some redundancies where you would have a ground jumping from board to board and then to the chassis. We just eliminated that for the most part. And then we have your mains ground over here, just tucked away in this corner. A little blobby there for my taste, but a very difficult angle for approach with this big monster weller that I use. Thing's practically a blowtorch. And I don't want to melt any of the jackets of this, the power transformers leads there. So that's it. The board's prepped. I do have 2 caps installed there that I had on hand. The rest of them are en route. We'll gotta get that relay popped in there. You can see everything is just perfectly prepped and ready to go. The bottom of the board has been reinforced where possible. We did clean and retension these tube sockets on both the control panel PCB here, which is also the preamp PCB, and this guy back here, which is housing effects loop stuff, power amp stuff, the whole thing. And just to hit the point home about, and I've done this before, about this type of connection on these circuit boards. Look at the corrosion there. I bet if I ohm that out, you'd get an ohm or two of resistance. That's not cool. Then that creates heat depending on what's flowing through that joint there, that connection. Just kind of sad. But guess what? She's going to be back and better than ever. I'm going to make sure of that. So again, once those parts come on in, we're going to install them, reassemble, test her, and then get her on her merry way back to making good music. These do sound great when they're healthy. So it's got that going for it. Plus it's nice and compact. I like it. All right, take care.